In this video, we will demonstrate how to create and submit a payment batch using Astral Pay. When cards have been flagged with Save Card, either by the customer using a pay link or via the Business Central user when processing a MOTO payment, it is possible to use the card to take payments in the future. A saved card is similar in concept to a direct debit mandate. To create a payment batch, from the Role Center, select Payments, then on the payment page, select Create Payment Batch Action. A payment batch will always be for a single currency. If you collect card payments in multiple currencies, you will need to create multiple payment batches. Within this window is various filters that can be selected for your batch. Select the currency code if this is different to your system's local currency. If you would like it to use your local currency, simply leave this blank. From due date will filter the list of invoices to be included in the payment batch by due date, but will exclude any invoices that are open but fall due before the from due date specified. Therefore, it is advisable to leave this field blank. The to due date specifies as the end date that you would like to pick up all invoices prior to. In this example, we want all invoices up to and including the 6th of June. There are two options for the group payments by: customer or none. None is for no grouping, and customer collects a single payment for multiple invoices from the same customer. We would advise selecting customer, as it will reduce the value of fixed fees that are paid to Stripe. There are additional filtering options to filter by customer that allow you to raise a payment batch for a particular customer or particular customers, and you can add any additional filtering onto here also if you wish. When you're ready, click OK to create the payment batch and populate it with payment entries. The routine will loop through each customer, within the customer number filter if specified, that has open invoices that aren't already included on a previous payment batch. It will then query to see if the customer has a Stripe customer mapping, and if it does, it will further query to see if there are any Stripe customer payment methods that are flagged as saved for future use. Finally, it will check that the card expiry date is still valid before entering the customer and payment amount into the payment batch. If invoices were found that could be collected, a payment batch is created, and opening the payment batch will show the payment entries. If the payment entry was grouped by customer and multiple invoices were found, the Applies to Entries field will show a value greater than 1. Clicking the number will show the payment entry application entries being collected by the payment. At this stage, it is possible to change the value being collected as the payment is yet to be sent to Stripe, so click Edit List. As the payment has not been sent to Stripe, it is also possible to delete payment entry allocation lines and to delete the payment entry for the customer entirely. Once you are happy with the contents of the payment batch, click Send to Stripe to process each payment.